হ্যালো অ্যাসপিরেন্ট, যে সকল ছাত্রছাত্রীরা ইউপিএসসির জন্য প্রস্তুতি নিচ্ছ তাদের জন্য এই প্রশ্নগুলো খুবই গুরুত্বপূর্ণ। এই প্রশ্নগুলো পড়লে কিন্তু আপনাদের জীবনে অনেকটাই অগ্রগতি হবে। প্রথম কোয়েশ্চেন্স, কনসিডার দ্য ফলোইং স্টেটমেন্টস রিগার্ডিং দ্য ইন্ডিয়ান কাউন্সিলস অ্যাক্ট 19th century 9. It introduced direct elections for the first times in India. Statement 2, it increased the size of legislative councils. Statement 3, it granted separate electorates to Muslims. Which of the statements given above are correct? Option A 2 and 3 only, option B 1 and 2 only, option C 1 and 3 only, option D 1, 2 and 3. Answer is option A 2 and 3 only. Direct elections were introduced by the Government of India Act 1919, not 19th century 9. The 19th century 9 Act increased the number of members in legislative councils. It introduced separate electorates for Muslims, considers a major step towards communal politics in India. Indian Councils Act 19th century 9's Morley Minto reforms expanded legislative councils and introduced separate electorates for Muslims. Question number 2. Which of the following rivers flow into the Bay of Bengal? 1. Mahanadi, Godavari, Narmada, Krishna. Answer option A 1, 2 and 4, option B 1 and 3, option C 2 and 3, option D all 4. Answer is option A 1, 2 and 4. Narmada flows westwards into the Arabian Sea. Mahanadi, Godavari and Krishna flows eastwards into Bay of Bengal. Peninsular rivers like Mahanadi, Godavari and Krishna drain into the Bay of Bengal, while Narmada and Tapi flow westwards and Arab. Question number 3. Which articles of the Indian Constitution deals with the finance commissions? Option A Article 270, option B Article 280, option C Article 324, option D Article 275. Answer is option B Article 280. Article 280 provides for a finance commissions to recommend the distributions of revenue between the center and the states. Article 280 constitutes the finance commissions, which is appointed every 5 years to make recommendations on fiscal federalism. Question number 4. Which of the following best describes the terms blockchain technology? Option A digital records keeping systems that stores data in block linked using cryptography. And statements option B programming language used for developing AI tools. C a web browsers with advanced data privacy features. D a malware detection software used in financial systems. Answer is very easy. Answer is option A digital records keeping systems that stores data in block links using cryptography. Blockchains is a decentralized distributed ledger systems that ensure transparency and security through cryptographic links. Blockchains is the backbone of cryptocurrencies and is being adopted in finance, health and supply chain systems for secure records. Question number 5. With reference to the Indian parliaments, consider the following statements. Statements 1. A private members can introduce a constitutional amendment bill. Statements 2. The speakers of the Lok Sabha decides whether a bill is money bill or not. Which of the statement is correct? Option A 1 and 2, option B 2 only, option C 1 only, option D neither 1 nor 2. Answer is option A 1 and 2. Private members can introduce constitutional amendment bills and the speakers of Lok Sabha is exclusive authority to decide whether a bill is money bill or not. Private member bills introduced by a non-minister speaker's role final authority on money bills under Article 110. Question number 6. Which one of the following is the largest contributor to greenhouse gases globally? Option A nitrous oxide, option B methane, option C carbon dioxide, option D chlorofluorocarbons. Answer is option C carbon dioxide. CO2 is the largest anthropogenic GHG greenhouse gas mainly due to fossil fuels combustions and deforestation. CO2 contributes over 70% of global greenhouse gas emissions, followed by methane and nitrous oxides. Question number 7. The terms operations greens is related to Option A, urban free plantations. Option B, increasing green cover in Western Ghat. Option C, doubling farmers' incomes through price stabilizations of vegetables. Option D, encouraging organic farming in India. Answer is option C, doubling farmers' incomes through price stabilizations of vegetables. Launched in 2018 to stabilize price of tomato, onions and potato by creating a value chains and reducing post-harvest losses. Operations Greens, a schemes under the Ministry of Food Processing to address the volatility of top crops prices. Question number 8. Consider the following pairs, GI tag and states. Arunachal's Kannadi, Kerala. Bhut Jatokia, Manipur. Pochampally Ikat, Telangana. Which of the pairs correctly matched? Option A 1 and 3, option B 2 and 3, option C 1, 2 and 3, option D 1 and 2. Answer is option A 1 and 3 only. Bhut Jolokia, Ghost Chill, Ghost Chili, GI tag is from Assam's, not Manipur. Geographical indications signify products with a specific geographic origin and qualities. That is Arnamula Kannadi, Kerala. Pochampally Ikat, Telangana. Question number 9. In which year was the Environment Protections Act enacted in India? A 1974, B 1981, C 1986, D 1991. Answer is C 1986. Enacted under Article 253 of the Constitution following the Bhopal gas tragedy. Environment Protections Act 1986, umbrella legislation for environmental safety, empowers the center to take necessary measures. Question number 10. Which one of the following is not a directive principles of state policy? Option A, promotions of cooperative societies. Option B, equal pay for equal works for men and women. Option C, separations of judiciary from executive. Option D, freedom of speech and expressions. Answer is option D, freedom of speech and expressions. This is a fundamental rights under Article 19, not a directive principles. Directive principles part 4 guide the states in policy making. Fundamental rights part 3 are enforceable by courts. Today our session is over here. If you like our channel, please subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you very much.